Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you guys, we are in the holiday spirit, child. Yes, jingle bells, honey. Today I am showing you guys how to make these delicious, decadent, chewy, homemade chocolate chip cookies, y'all, that will definitely knock the socks off of Santa, okay? These cookies can be made any time of the year, of course, and are the perfect dessert to add to your holiday table. We're going to brown some butter for that rich and decadent flavor, and we're going to add in both chocolate chips and chocolate chunks. Talk about a holiday treat. Pair these delicious chocolate chip cookies with a tall glass of cold milk, baby, and leave this perfect treat out for Santa this year. They're perfect to make with your kids, and baby, everybody is going to want this recipe, okay? I hope you guys are ready. Before we get started, of course, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join our growing foodie family here on YouTube. Welcome to all of my amazing new subscribers. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more recipes like this, and let's get into the video, y'all. Alright, you guys, to get started on our homemade chocolate chip cookies, we're going to start with our dry ingredients. To a bowl, we're adding in some all-purpose flour, baking soda, and cornstarch. And the cornstarch, you guys, is going to be our secret ingredient, okay? This will give us the chewiest chocolate chip cookies. Now that we have those three ingredients in, we're going to mix those babies together, and we're going to grab a pan and melt 2 sticks of salted butter. Now, normally, you guys, you would melt this butter for about a minute or so just to give a general melt, but y'all know we ain't average over here, boo-boo. We are browning this butter. Yes, honey, browning, okay? This is going to make sure our cookies are super rich and decadent by giving a delicious toffee, almost caramel-esque flavor. So please do not skip this step. After the butter has browned, y'all, we're going to set it off to the side just to ensure that it cools completely. And after it has come down in temperature, we're going to add it to a mixing bowl along with some brown sugar. Yes, honey, these cookies are melanated, okay? We're also going in with some white sugar, and we're going to mix these ingredients until combined. Next, you guys, we're going to go in with 2 eggs. Go ahead and crack those babies right in there. Start breaking them up with your spatula. And we're going to go in with some vanilla because our cookies have personality, okay? And lastly, we're going to add in a little bit of kosher salt. Coarse kosher salt, you guys. No lie, y'all, this takes the cookies up to the next level. Not only do we have that deep caramel flavor from the brown butter, but with the kosher salt added, delicious. Alright guys, mix her up, and now it's time to bring it all together, baby. We're going to add in those dry ingredients, so half of the dry mixture at a time. We ain't trying to have no flour facial, okay? Just to go ahead and start forming our cookie dough, y'all. Once the flour mixture is partially combined, we're going to go in with our semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now you can add any type of fillings to this dough, M&Ms, pretzels, dark chocolate. Anything works for this. Once you have this delicious cookie dough base, the possibilities are endless, y'all. So very quickly, you guys, I'm just folding this batter until all of that flour is mixed in, as well as the chocolate chips. And when the batter is done, it will look just like this. She ready. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to cover this cookie dough with foil and pop this chocolate chip cookie dough in the fridge for an hour. You can do a minimum of 30 minutes, y'all, or you can do it overnight as well, you know, if you're not in a big rush. Whatever works, as long as the dough has chilled for at least 30 minutes in the fridge, you'll be good to go. And here she is out of the fridge. Our oven is already set to 350 degrees. Go ahead and grab a non-stick cookie sheet. We're going to grab some parchment paper and a large ice cream scooper like so. Now you guys, we're going to line this cookie sheet with parchment paper. Now me and my parchment paper was in a little bit of a tussle. Every time I go one way, he go the other way, you know, just back and forth, honey. We're going to start scooping out our chocolate chip cookies using our ice cream scooper. Once you have them on the pan, we're going to press them down just a little bit using our fingers just to help start a shape for our cookies, just like that. Now you guys is the fun part. So we're going to top these with some chocolate chunks, and like I said, whatever fillings you decide to use, pretzels, M&Ms, you're just going to add extra of that on top of the cookies, and we're going to let these bake for 9 to 10 minutes, you guys. Once they come out of the oven, they are done. They're done, y'all. They may seem undercooked, but that's only because they need to cool and will finish cooking on the actual cookie sheet. Okay, so do not overcook these. Don't say I didn't tell you. We do not want no hard, extra crispy cookies. That is not what we're trying to do. Feel free to transfer these over to a cooling rack like I did. And after they have cooled off, we are ready to eat, honey. Look at that. Ooh wee. We did that. These chocolate chip cookies are so soft, chewy, decadent, and rich, baby. Let me tell you, these are the perfect dessert for Christmas. These are the best cookies to make with your kids this Christmas Eve. Santa won't know what hit them, y'all. And of course, you can make these any time of the year, honey. Spring, summer, fall, or winter. These are slapping every single time. Go ahead and plate these babies up, and y'all already know what come with a homemade chocolate chip cookie. We have to pour a tall glass of cold milk. Oh yeah. Super delicious and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hanging out with your girl. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes, and welcome again to all of my amazing new subscribers. Give this video a big thumbs up just to let me know that you are here. Leave me some cookie emojis down below in the comment section. I love you guys, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye y'all.